it in. Fill her up. That's what I'm talking about. Yay.
Where's the car? I think it's on the other side of the picnic table, bud. And Daddy's taking a lot of pictures that I get to erase later. There you go, you found a car. Good boy. What are you going to do with the car? Get something on your foot?
Hey, no, I think it is. Okay, look what I did for you. I made a mountain. Now pick it up and put it in your bucket.
Peace.